Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Lenovo device only charges when you hold the cable at a certain angle, it's a sign that the charging port may be faulty. This issue often arises due to wear and tear, dirt accumulation, or internal damage. If left unchecked, it could lead to further complications, such as complete charging failure, which can leave you without a working device. To tackle this repair, you will need a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, a pair of tweezers, and a replacement charging port specific to your Lenovo model. Start by powering off your device and unplugging any cables. Using the plastic opening tool, gently pry open the back cover of your Lenovo, taking care not to damage any clips. Once inside, locate the charging port. It's usually connected to the motherboard. Carefully disconnect any cables attached to the charging port. Make a note of where each cable connects for easier reassembly. Now, remove the screws securing the charging port in place. Be gentle while removing these screws, as they can be quite small and easy to misplace. Once the screws are out, gently lift the old charging port away from the motherboard. To install the new port, align it with the screw holes and carefully push it into place. Reconnect the cables, ensuring they fit snugly without forcing them. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once everything is in place, replace the screws to secure the new charging port. Now it's time to close the device. Align the back cover and press down gently until you hear the clips snap back into place. Finally, power on your device and test the charging port with a cable. If it charges without needing to hold the cable at an angle, you've successfully completed the repair. To prevent this issue from recurring, ensure you handle your charging cable carefully and regularly clean the charging port to remove any dust or debris that can accumulate over time. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.